I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp in your laptop or your PC. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, first of all you need to launch your Chrome or any other browser that you have. Then once you launch your Chrome or the browser that you are using, you need to go to the search URL, then search for WhatsApp web. Then click on it. Then click on the first link here. Now once you are here, now you'll need to go to your Android phone, then open your WhatsApp. Then tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then tap on linked devices. Then tap on link a device. Then enter your phone password. Then tap on OK. Then continue. Then allow. Then you are going to scan this QR code on your computer. Then you will be able to log in your computer using that QR code which has been scanned. As you can see, logging in. Now let us just give it some few minutes and we will continue. You can enter the device name for this PC. So I'm going to enter my PC. Then save. Then once you've done that, now you will go back to your laptop or your PC. You will just click continue. Then once you are here on your PC, you will click on those three dots on your top right corner. Then come down to cast, save and share. Then you are going to see install WhatsApp web. So click on it. Then install. Then as you can see, this WhatsApp web has been installed. Now if you close Chrome, this WhatsApp web will be here. You can use it. So in order to launch this WhatsApp web whenever you want to use it, let's say for example I've closed this one, you'll be able to see it on your desktop here. So you'll just come and double click it and your WhatsApp web will be launched. As you can see, your WhatsApp web has launched. So that's how you can download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or on your PC. Now if you have found value from this video, I hope it is helpful. If so, please leave a like and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.